Set 3 po tayo. First two sets, you missed us. 25-23, 25-13 ang winning scores ng Farm Fresh. You know, Tubino has been such a wall in that back row. And that does not cross.
You can't go all power. You have to be able to get the right targets first.
Ayan, no?
Kahit hindi ganun kalakas.
Oo.
Basta nasa tamang spot.
Basang-basa siya, di ba? Romero's, oh, what a set to the other side. Cés Molina going all guns here.
There's a tendency for you to overthink everything.
Why are we like this? You don't know why. And a regalo is pounced upon. It's 3-0. In the meantime, the set by Cayuna. It is in play. One-handed set. Punched high. One of the few long rallies we've had. Nabuhay pa eh, oh. Buti na alala ni MJ third ball na. But Tubo is just unceasing here today.
Mahirap na feeling. Parang naghahabol ka na
Tino must be saying, wow, my clone. In the meantime, Negros Occidental. Same place where basketball player James Yap came from. That's jammed. Elevated. Tubo connects in the corner. Takot. They gotta take chances also. Okay, set it up properly. Then we attack. This one too long. Look at this. Meron man yun. Wala. MJ Phillips serving. Binal. Tubo. Unstoppable. Kasi nagdalawang isip ka eh. 11-7 po ang ating bilang. Tinulak. Tinaas. Tinapik. Binaon. Down the line. That's blocked.
Out of bounds.
Kept very much in play. Romero. That's inside.
It was out, but there was a block touch.
Here it is, Nick. Block touch ba? O inside and out? Inside and out dapat. Yan. Sige, para matapos to, mag-3 siya Tubo na tayo. In the meantime, Molina's serve in play. And you were saying, as Philip scores a new. In the meantime, reading Meneses. Dikit sa net. No problem.
Yes,
5-2 count in the aces. Farm Fresh has more. Binalik. Tinaas. Recovered from the back row. Romero sets up Tubo. Not precise. Cayuna. Fernandez knocks it down. May kamay itong Fernandez.
Fernandez.
Wala pa akong pasalubong. I'm sure meron na yan. Okay. 18-17. 1 point affair in the third. This is inside and we are tied. Takes a deep breath. Picked up downstairs by De Guzman. Tough angle. It's in play. Elevated by Tolenada. Into the back row! Gusto na umuwi ng isa. Pero palagay ko, lipat bukas pa yun. That is inside. That brings them to 23. Cruz. And we are done. Straight set win